Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can predict whether a protein is allergen or not. Okay. For this purpose, you can use different tools. Here in this video, I am talking about AllergenCatPro. So in this tool, you need to paste the protein sequence in FASTA format. Here, I will use the simple FASTA format sequence. Then here I am using the multiple sequence. So if you want to only predict the allergenicity of one sequence, you just need to use the one sequence. And you need to use this. This basically show that our sequence is in the FASTA format. Then just submit this and wait for the result. This tool will give you a result in the form of very nice table, and this table basically show you the proteins sequence of interest. Then it will show you most similar allergen protein. Then it will show you the function of the protein, then clinical relevance. This protein is clinically relevant or not. Then it will show you similarity to allergens and resulting predicted evidence for allergenicity. So red basically show you there is a strong evidence that this protein is allergen. Okay. And then weak evidence and no evidence. No evidence mean the protein is not allergen. You can use this protein for drug designing purpose. So here in this table, you can see that out of 10, 4 protein, and there is a strong evidence that 4 protein are allergen. For 3 protein we have a weak evidence, and for 3 protein we don't have any evidence. So, and you can download these results in the form of Excel. This is really very nice tool. You can use this tool, and please cite this tool if you are using this for your research purpose. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.